Hey, hope everyone's having a great day. Today's video is high fat versus high carb on a plant-based diet. So I actually got this video idea from a comment in one of my videos. Someone said I should make a video talking about high fat versus high carb on a plant-based diet. So I'm gonna give my opinion on this, and while I do that, I'm gonna be making a smoothie. So really quick, I'm just gonna tell you what's in this smoothie, and then I'll talk about the high fat versus high carb. So by the way, right now it's about 12:30 p.m. This is my first meal of the day, the first food I'm having. I did have water throughout the morning. I do practice intermittent fasting, so I generally have my first meal at around 1 p.m. And this smoothie, I'm gonna put in 3 dates. I have 3 ripe bananas. I'm gonna use 2 cups of frozen mangoes, 3 cups of coconut water, and I'm gonna have a serving of the Marcus Rosecrans green formula and a serving of the Marcus Rosecrans vitamin C formula. And just real quick, if you're not familiar with the Marcus Rosecrans, he makes powders of whole plant foods. So when I say vitamin C, these are just plants that were put into powdered form. I'm not talking about anything from the lab that's synthetic or any of that. This is just real whole food, so very healthy. So I'm gonna start making this smoothie and get into this video a little bit. And I know that a lot of people on social media, they sort of follow something like that's, you know, really high carb, low fat, or really high fat, low carb. And then there's some people that are somewhere in between. And I sort of flow into the more in between state. So my diet, I wouldn't say it's, you know, super high carb, or it's definitely not high fat. It's higher in carbohydrate. So my belief is that we are primarily carbohydrate eaters. So I definitely think that the majority of the calories should come from carbohydrates. Now I've made several videos, what I eat in a day video, where I actually show the breakdown of protein, carbs, and fat that I eat in a day. Typically, and again, this is typical, it could be a little bit more or less, you know, depending on the day, but I generally eat about 65% carbs, about 25% calories from fat, and about 10% from protein, give or take 5% on the day. So that 65, 25, 10, or it could be, you know, 70, 20, 10, whatever. That seems to work best for me. Now, there's certainly cases where I think people could be eating less fat, you know, if you have some serious health issues going on, you're trying to address. What I'm doing is more of a maintenance routine. For people trying to fix serious health problems, my number 1 suggestion is always water-only fasting done with supervision. The next best option, in my opinion, would be maybe some sort of a juice feast or a juice cleanse, or maybe like a grape cleanse or something like that. But that's something that you would do temporarily. That wouldn't be a permanent thing. But again, if you're healthy just for overall maintenance, that's the parameters that I'm hitting typically, 65, 25, 10, thereabouts. So that's my suggestion, this is my opinion. You know, if someone's doing something that works well for them, I recommend doing what works well for you. This whole channel is just about sharing what is working for me and what I do, whether that's evolving over time with certain areas. But that's just what I'm about, is doing what works for you. I'm not really trying to convince anyone to do anything specific, but I'm just showing what's working here. So hopefully it can help some people with some ideas. So I got the 3 dates, I got the 3 bananas, I got 2 cups of frozen mangoes. Now I'm gonna do 3 cups of coconut water here. I made this smoothie with 4 cups of coconut water before, which I've done. It's a little bit too liquidy. Sometimes I do smoothies, and sometimes I'll do more like an ice cream. So this is more of like a smoothie. It's a little more liquidy. When I did it with 4 cups of coconut water, it was just, in my opinion, it was too liquidy. I wanted a little bit creamier, a little bit thicker. So this is still pretty, you know, pretty liquidy, definitely compared to my ice cream, which is a lot more thick. Okay, And so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna blend this thing up, and then I'm gonna add the green powder after that. So let's blend this up. Okay. Then I'm gonna add in the green powder. Now, as far as a high-fat diet, that doesn't make any sense to me, just doing a super high-fat diet. Like I said, I think we're primarily carbohydrate eaters. But if someone's doing a high-fat diet and they see great results and they feel amazing, then, like I said, just do what works for you. So here we go. I'm going to do 2 tablespoons of the vitamin C. And I don't sell any of this stuff, by the way. This is just something I've started using recently again. I used it several years ago and figured why not try it out again. This is a bunch of stuff that's just a bunch, like 6 or 8 different plant foods that are really high in vitamin C, put into powder form. And I got some green formula here. There's a bunch of herbs and greens and fruits put into powder form. And I'm going to do a serving of that, which is 2 tablespoons. I actually started using this stuff for 2 reasons. First of all, there's a lot of nutrition in it. But I actually like how the smoothie tastes with it in there. I like the taste of it in the smoothie. Now, if you're just to have it plain in water, I don't think I would like that nearly as much. But when it's blended with the fruit, it really gives it a good balance. So that's really half the reason I'm using it, is because of the taste. If it didn't taste good, I wouldn't use it in there if I didn't like it. Okay, so now we're just gonna kind of mix this up. Nice and gentle, and there it is. So this thing made, how much did this make? This made, let's see here, somewhere around 1.5 liters, somewhere in that range. It's kind of hard to see. So this I take my time with, and again, right now it's just past 12:30, so I'll take my time with this thing, and then I'll be having more food later. So thanks for watching. Make sure you check out the description box. I have a plant-based recipe ebook with some great recipes. Give me a thumbs up or thumbs down, subscribe for more videos. Leave me a comment, let me know your thoughts, and I hope everyone has a great day. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.